Hello everyone, JRDL96 here with a brand new reaction. As you can tell by the title, it's another Jacksepticeye video, and it's something I've been thinking about reacting to for a while, but I wasn't really sure. But now I finally realized maybe I should, and that is Jack's playthrough of the Untitled Goose game. Yo yo, him goose. Yo yo yo. You know that. I have it on my Switch. I've only played it for maybe 2 minutes and then never played it again. I don't know why, but this game, the visual style of the game looks very cool, and recently they announced a huge update to the game, which includes a co-op, a 2-player co-op mode, which is going to be interesting. I'm pretty sure Jack's probably going to be playing that with Evelyn at some point, I guarantee you. Maybe not in a Let's Play form, maybe on a live stream form, I don't know. But I wouldn't be surprised if that's what he does. But anyways, I might as well just get right into it and see what this game is really, what the whole point of the game is. All you're doing is terrorizing a bunch of poor people, a bunch of people as a goose, of all things. So anyways, let's get right into it. So without further ado, let's react to this video, shall we?
Oh yes! Top of the morning!
Top of the morning!
Yes! Welcome to my humble abode with me,
oh yeah, back when he was in Cal.
How are you doing, gents? Very good, eh?
Me, myself, and I.
Welcome to Untitled Goose Game by House. I've been really excited about this game for like 2 years. I've seen it at PAX years ago. I just brushed my teeth with my finger.
Really?
I've been really excited about this game. It looks absolutely bonkers. It looks
of all
so
things.
silly. You control a goose and you go around terrorizing people. What else do you want out of a video game? I don't know what else I want out of a video game except fun, joy, and laughter. It's loading.
That's very bright.
Press space to honk. Oh, honk, honk. Hello, honk. Hey, hey.
There he is, the goose.
Yes!
There he is.
The animations are actually really good. Double click or click to move. Oh, okay. Well, I don't need this then. Get out of here, you smelly controller. Thinking it owns everything. You shut up. Honk, honk. Ooh, bells.
Ding, ding, ding. Top of the mornings.
Is that my plan? Double click to run. Oh, yes. You're all going to get messed up by a goose.
Yeah, the whole concept of the game is so stupid and ridiculous.
Before, I'm Irish, so wildlife is just running around all over the place anyway. But when you go out into the wild and you see a goose out there, they'll honk the ankles off you, bro. Oh, yes.
I've had a run-in with gooses before.
These boots are made for walking.
One goose almost flew at me.
For booting. Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Ooh, yes, I want a can.
I'm gonna shake that can, so when you open it, it's gonna explode in your face.
Can I have ball?
Tennis ball?
Yes. I want ball. Okay, I'm just running in circles.
Circles. And fucking circles!
I love this! Who out there is not smiling right now? There's no way you're watching this video and you're not smiling.
I am already smiling.
Delightful. This is peak gaming. This is exactly what video games are about.
I'm probably gonna get this on PlayStation if it's on PS4. If it's on PS4, then I'll probably get it as well. I already got Dreams, and that game is pretty damn good.
How do I...
There you go.
Hell yeah!
There you go.
Oh, jeez. I'm a goose on a mission. I'm gonna destroy the world. X to spread your wings. Oh!
There you go.
This is delightful! I actually feel like a goose. Who out there from House just sat down and was like, you know what?
What game could we create today? Let's terrorize people as a goose. That's gonna be great!
I'm absolutely thrilled.
It reminds me of that freaking sketch that on Disney XD that Mark was in. Thinking about game ideas, and the game they came up with was Goat Simulator.
Geese can fly south for the winter. Maybe that's the whole point of this game. Maybe it's like Journey. Maybe I'm like a salmon swimming upstream. Maybe I'm a goose trying to make it south for the winter so I don't die. Was Mr. Bean here having a picnic? Have any of you ever seen that episode of Mr. Bean? It's amazing. Sandwich. I have sandwich now. This is my sandwich. No, the rest of you can have my sandwich. This is my sandwich. Hello, Honk Honk. Honk! And Goose! Honk Honk! Oh.
I love that.
Soggy wet sandwiches!
That's my voicemail notification, is the goose thing.
Geese have been far too oppressed over the years. It's time to fight back!
That goose
Geese
sound
brothers.
effect is my voicemail sound. Oh, that's fucked up.
I just ruined your whole day! Isn't that funny? I think it's funny.
Yeah, back then he had the man button, now he has it again. Which is funny.
Oh man, that would have been epic!
Yeah, that would have been funny as hell. He starts you could start the lawnmower.
Press tab to see your to-do list. What do I have to do?
Get into the garden.
Get the groundskeeper wet. Steal the groundskeeper's keys. I'm an asshole.
Yeah.
We knew that already. I'm a goose. Ah, yes. Well, let's zoom in. Oh.
Ooh.
Yes. Yes. Oh. Chaos comes in goose form. You all thought that the apocalypse was going to come.
Well,
when,
it kind of did
Satan rained
with the
fire
pandemic.
down from... He doesn't rain fire down from anything. He's Satan. He rains fire from the ground. You all thought that that was going to be how the apocalypse came about, but no. Goose-pocalypse.
It's just a goose terrorizing people.
Well, I could if I just flapped hard enough. Look, flap! 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 Flap your wings! Oh, do you think if I got two of these and I flapped hard enough I could take off and go back to Ireland? Hello? Honk Honk, I'm Goose. Honk Honk.
Oh,
Hi!
the garden.
Hey! Hey! That's mine!
Hey!
Give it here! Huh. Get the keys. Get the keys from him. Get the keys.
Oh, he got it. He took it right back.
Come here, you
And he's like, who are you, you little shit?
He's like, what the hell is wrong with that goose?
What the hell's wrong with that damn goose?
Your voice. I have to get the groundskeeper wet. How do I make him wet? Do I have to start taking off my feathers? Look at me!
I keep the ground. I am the groundskeeper. I keep the ground.
I'm ruining everything. I need to do something here.
If the ground starts shooting up lightning, I'll let you know.
Okay, he needs a trowel. I get the trowel. My trowel! Maybe I could just be helpful. There you go. I just want to be a helpful goose. I want to follow you around. Can you be my friend? I have no friends. All my geese friends left south for the winter, but I can't fly. See? No worky. Honk Honk, I'm
He's like,
Goose.
wait, what the hell are you talking about?
No, gimme. Gimme! Don't hit me, jeez. I got your boots, bitch. They're my boots now. They love me. I'm gonna put his boots here, and maybe that'll make him see the errors of his ways. Can I pick up anything here?
Ah.
Oh, time to replant. Oh, he needs his watering can. Nope. My watering can. I'm the best goose. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's going right here. I have a plan. I have a dastardly goose plan. Oh my god, can you not... He doesn't turn very well. He's a goose, but he controls like a Ford Focus. Alright, come on. My evil goose plan is kicking into fruition. Yes. 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 No, get the... Yeah, get the boots. He needs to get closer, though. I got him wet! Now you're gonna have to get naked!
Oh, God.
Ow, ow, ow! Damn it! Damn it! I got it!
Run.
I got the keys!
Run!
No, you'll never take me alive! What's my next to do? Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat. Rake in the lake. Oh, that's easy.
Where is...
Oh, wait, I don't actually have to do anything with the keys. Go, stay away! Stay away! Oh, dang it! Honk Honk, I'm Goose! You want some jam? You want some jam sandwiches? He lost his jam. I know where it is. You'll never find it. Honk Honk, I'm Goose. Bye! What you doing, bro? Wanna be friends? Hey! I'm a nice goose! I do nice things for nice people! But you is an asshole! Honk Honk, I'm Goose. Honk, Wanna be friend? The secret goose. The one in the shadows. The one who will strike.
Lurking in the shadows.
Count.
It's like, peekaboo.
Okay, I need to get a way of, like, taking his hat or something. I need to make him wear his sun hat. And I can't turn up the sun. Unless... Look at my little face sticking out.
It's like he's like a creeper.
I'm so dastardly and evil. I also need to bring his rake. I need to put his rake in the lake. I can do it. I have the power. I'm such a strong goose. Later, bitch! Good luck raking your leaves now.
Rake in the
Now
lake.
he'll never find it. Can I nibble his ankles? Come here. Huh. I want to nibble his ankles. Come here. Ah! Goose attack! Come here! I'm an evil goose. Got your keys. No, I don't. Damn it. What should I do? How do I get a goose to put a hat? How can goose hat? That's something I should type into Google. How can goose hat? No. I'm taking this. No, it's mine! Ah! Leave it alone! Damn it. Oh, I'll have my time in the sun, don't you worry! I'm stealing your carrots. Here we go. I need some jam for my sandwiches. I also need a pumpkin. I need this. This is something I need in my life. It's gonna be hard to sneak one of these out, though. Haha, but not if you're a goose looking fast. I want to take my wings out. Give me this pumpkin. I want this pumpkin. One of my missions is to have a picnic. I'm gonna have a delightful picnic as a goose. You're all invited. You can come out and hang out. I'm a nice goose to the people who are nice. My apple. My apple.
He took the apple.
I earned this.
He has
and
no idea that poor guy.
I'm not doing anything. What are you talking about? I'm doing goose things. I'm being a regular goose. Leave me alone. You suck, dude. Just let me be a goose. Oh god. He's gonna find us out. Run, goose. Run. Take it to the lake. This is my house. This is my home.
He broke it.
Okay, all I need is a thermos. If I can bring a thermos down, I can have a pot of coffee. Geese love coffee. Trust me, I know. I'm Irish. I'm not doing anything. You don't see anything. Nothing's happening. Just go about your business. Just do what you want to do. You don't see anything. It's a regular old goose here.
He's like, I'm watching you, buddy.
Leave, dude.
He ain't leaving, buddy.
Fine, I leave. I'll be the bigger goose. Got your thermos, bitch! I'm out!
I'm out, bitch.
Is this all I need for my picnic? I hope so. Nope. Bring the picnic blanket. Oh, blanket. I need the blanket. Come on, blanket. Wait, is this not the blanket? This is a picnic blanket. Dang it. Of the goose's stature, he's just like, yes, you can fuck with me.
Glorious rings of
I'm a
mine.
goose. I'll just do what I want. See you later.
He's like, I got glorious
This is where
rings.
the picnic is. Oh no! I wanted to have a picnic in the lake. Oh man, I have to bring everything over.
Nah,
All the way from right here. That's
it's
hard.
not too far away. Relax.
Life is very difficult. Ooh, I think the water's awesome though. Okay. Scratch one jam, a sando, a thermos, pumpkin, an apple of course, carrot for fiber, and a radio. Beautiful!
There you go.
A nice little happy goose picnic. A new to-do list item. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb.
Oh God. How did
I couldn't even get him to wear his hat. How am I going to get him to hammer his thumb? Next thing you're going to be like, make groundskeeper reconcile with his father. These are impossible tasks, man. I can't do it. I'm a goose, not a mathematician. Oh. Hyunk. Okay, I'll wait. and... Hyunk. Yes! I did it! I'm a genius goose! I'm the best goose!
Oh, there he goes.
I think I killed him. No, he's okay. Hyunk, hyunk! Hyunk, hyunk! Let me go! Hyunk, hyunk! Hyunk, hyunk, I'm goose! I'm out!
I'm out, bitch.
Peace! Yes! I'm a goose about town now. No one can stop the goose. This goose is going places. I want to see the world. I want to go on Broadway. I want to be a star. That's it, Goose. Take in all the information from TV. Assimilate the knowledge. If you understand the humans, then you can destroy the humans. Hey, England and Ireland are on this. Look at that. I should put out Ireland, boy. Give it a batter, you know. I'm just looking at the store. You have any Goose TVs? A Goose TV would be nice. This kind of looks like a Jacksepticeye. I have your mail. I'm a delivery goose. Deliverer of death. Hey, leave me alone. Goddamn, lady chasing me. What do I have to do? Break the broom. That's her broom. I'm gonna mess that up. You can help me if you want. Do you want it too? Sorry, I went to Area 51 and this is what I got and I brought back with me. Trap the boy in the phone booth. Oh yes. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Get on TV. Now there's a mission. Go shopping.
What?
Okay, so trap a boy in a phone booth and break his glasses and give him something else. Where's the phone booth? I got your plane. Where's the phone booth? I can't open this. How do I get... How to get boy in phone booth? Ah, I got your broom. Give me your broom. You ain't gonna sweep shit now, lady! This goose is gonna dominate the world. What if that's what ends up happening? The game just ends with the goose in like a president's office. Owning the world. Honk honk, I'm Goose! Can't use your brush to get rid of me now. I'm just... Oh god.
Oh god.
Leave the goose alone! The goose is
them
nice!
now.
Love the goose! Be the goose, happy goose! Don't hurt the goose! The goose no hurt! The goose I'm love! The goose I'm Honk! Honk honk, I'm Goose! You want milk, Billy? You want milk, you little bitch? You want milk for your strong growing bones? Everybody will love you if you got strong bones there, Billy. You don't got strong bones,
Billy.
no one will give a shit. My ball. Give me the ball.
Let's kick it.
Give me the ball, Billy. Oh, he's afraid of me! Yes, fear me, Billy!
Fear me,
the
bitch.
goose.
That's probably how you get him into
life.
the phone
Into the
booth.
phone box. Go, Billy. Go. Where are you gonna go now? Mom's not here to save you. Get in that phone box. He's gonna call his mom. Mom, come pick me up. Kids are goosening. He's calling him. Help me! There's a goose outside. No, don't. Honk honk, I'm Goose. You can't attack me! I'm the fearsome warrior! Leave me alone! Stop! God, you're so goosist! You're so gosh dang goosist in this game. Also, there's glasses here. Give me these. I need my bifocals. I need to read. I need to read up on humans and how to kill them. Yeah, run scared, Billy! The shorts aren't gonna save you. Wait, how do I get him to wear the wrong glasses, though? Maybe I can run him into something so his glasses fall off. Honk honk! The end is nigh! We strike at dawn! Rise, brothers! Honk honk! Oh, wait, can I go in the store now? If I go in the store, can I be on TV? No! I'm Goose! What a little bitch! I get you, Billy. Let me get you on those pale knees. Keep running, Billy. This goose never tires. This goose is the death and destruction of the world.
I think you need to go into water.
Go that way.
The
See
puddle.
what happens. There's walkie-talkies in here. You want one? Call up your friends. You can't escape the torment, Billy. You can't escape the honkening. Got your walkie-talkie. I scared him with the walkie-talkie because I have one in my...
Oh, that's funny. He's like, wait, what?
If I can leave one somewhere. Wait, what's he gonna do with it? Are you gonna pick it up? Maybe that'll knock your glasses off. Listen to it. Oh, damn it. Damn it! Listen to the walkie-talkie, Billy. Oh, I thought I'd knock him on his ass again. He fell over the last time, and if he falls over, I could just go up and go like, yoink, and steal the glasses from him. God, this poor dude.
Yeah.
I'm chasing him everywhere. I don't think we should even be in this area. Okay, go back. I'm like a sheepdog. A sheepdog for people. It's not over yet, Billy. This is some sort of like traumatizing nightmare for this kid. Can I like nibble at his ankles and knock him over? Oh, I can! Oh, I can pull his laces! Ah, now he'll fall over.
Oh.
Yes! Now give me the glasses. Bye! Billy, I'm a nice goose. Look, there's your glasses. Look, pick them up. Your glasses! I'm a nice goose. Ha ha ha! Those are the wrong prescription! You're gonna read words slightly blurrier than you did before. My master plan is coming to fruition. I'm gonna get on TV. They call that person again and they're gonna come out and try and save the day. But I'm going on TV this time. Yes! Goose TV! Dear sheeple, wake up! The time of the goose is now! We need to destroy the humans! Everybody fight back together! Rise, brothers! Don't let them silence you or your voice! Oh god, goose basket! Goose basket, help! Help me!
Oh my god.
I broke it! I'm a goose in a basket! This is not how geese should be! Geese should be free! Geese should be nice people! Geese are the best people! Oh no! I think I legitimately broke the game. Okay, there we go. I got it! Everybody!
There you go.
Stop!
Oh god.
I just want to go shopping. I just want to buy some groceries. It's been hard since Karen left. Stop! Why would you neglect me? Fine. If I can't go shopping, then you will. You like this plane, boy? You like this plane? You think it's yours? Nuh-uh. Now it's part of the store. It's part of the store. You can't have it anymore. If I can't have vegetables, you can't have toy.
I would get rid of the broom.
Okay, wait. Is that even going to work? Is she going to put it back? Yes. She's like, oh, this toy was on the ground. It should be on a shelf.
I would grab that and get rid of that so she
shopping
can...
as a goose. I thought I'd just bring the basket around and it would count as shopping. Do I have to put stuff in the basket? Because that's hard. Tomato. I'm gonna make pizza. Lemons. I'm gonna make a lemon pizza.
Oh my god.
Carrots.
Carrot pizza.
Carrot pizza. Does this count as shopping? Hello, ma'am? Do you have any discounts, like 2 for 1? Is there any prices off anything? Ma'am? Ma'am, this sucks. Your store's terrible. Billy, you go buy something from her. See if she'll actually let you. She wouldn't let me buy anything. He's like, hey, this is my plane. How did you get my plane? She's like, that belonged on the shelf. That's actually my plane. He's like, no, it's not. She's like, $14.95. Give me money and I'll let you get your plane back. That's mine, you little shit. But please, I want it. Money. Fine. Here's a pack of condoms.
Oh my god.
My master plan. Trap the shopkeeper in the garage. Ooh. Ooh, but how do I... Oh, she's going in the garage now. Sorry, bye-bye. Oh. Wait, if I put a leak in it... Ma'am, come quickly! Your garage is leaking! Mine. You can't has mine! Wait, stop scaring me away! Let me be loved! I'm a goose!
Oh,
She's
God.
gonna do it. She's gonna do it. My plan for world domination comes soon, brothers! You'll be free when my brothers are free! You'll be free when you liberate the geese from the south! Oh, damn it, stupid opposable thumbs and human brains! Well, peace, I'm out. A new journey today. starts for the goose people, and we will rise together and liberate them and free them for all of goose kind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave it a honk if you like it. And I'll see you in the next one. Honk and goose!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man, that game looks really, really cool. Really, really, you know, the art style of the game looks very nice. Very good. It looks very, very cute looking, and the goose, you know that. Very cute looking and stuff, so I really like this game a lot. I remember a lot of people talking about it, then I saw Jack play, I'm like, oh, that's why. I didn't understand what the hoopla was about. All the hoopla was about. Yeah, that's my voicemail sound, is the goose honk from it. Goose. Yeah, that's my freaking ringtone for voicemails. Whenever someone leaves a voicemail, is that stupid goose. You silly goose. But man, I gotta really play this game I gotta honestly play this game for myself and try to play this game on my own. Because this game looks really fun. It looks really fun, honestly. Someone made an animation. Someone made an animation of Jacksepticeye. HONK compilation. And Mark did a whole like 2 hour, almost 2.5 hour playthrough of that whole game. Goose Simulator. That's pretty much what it is. Delirious even played it. Delirious even played it too. H2O Delirious even played it. And I know that he's gonna be a dad at some point. He's gonna have baby Delirious. I wonder how that's gonna work, especially because of the fact that he has not revealed his face at all. I wonder how, like, what, you know, non-disclosure agreement or what some sort of agreement that he made this girl agree to make sure that, hey, don't reveal my face. Because if word gets out, then it's just gonna go crazy. And there's nothing wrong. If he doesn't want to reveal his face, that's totally fine on him. Like, we're not here. I don't want to force him to do so, but it is what it is. Like, that's his choice. Goose kills man with a bucket. And then now, recently, I remember months ago, Lego announced that they were going to probably do a Lego set for Goose Game. That's what I remember hearing. So that's pretty nice, actually. He didn't do all the objectives. He still had to get the sun hat on that, you know, groundskeeper and, you know, go goose shopping and other stuff like that, but yeah, this game looks really cute. Like, the visual art style of the game looks very cute looking. Let me go to PlayStation Store for a second. And as you could probably tell, my theme is PlayStation, the old school PS2. Because I'm an old school nerd. Retro video game nerd. Not the angry kind. Yep, it's there. $20, not bad. I remember paying over 30 bucks, 30 to 40 bucks for it, I think. I don't remember. I think that was the original price on the Switch. Untitled Goose Game is a slapstick stealth sandbox where you are a goose let loose on an unsuspecting village. Make your way around town, from people's back gardens to the high street shops to the village green, setting up pranks, stealing hats, honking a lot, and generally ruining everyone's day, featuring a horrible goose. That's you. A town full of people just trying to get on with their day, you hate them. A dedicated honk button. And now there's going to be an update for 2-player. I remember Goat Simulator, and I play it on occasion. I will play Goat Simulator on occasion. Like, that game is just addicting. I don't know what it is. That game is so addicting, and I don't understand why. Oh, my PlayStation froze. I think I broke my PlayStation. I think I broke my PlayStation because it just froze. Oh shit. It couldn't handle this shit. Yeah, I just broke my PlayStation. Now I gotta repair my external hard drive, etc. So that's just wonderful. The things I do for you. I just wanted to look up Goose Game for a second, and then you had to freeze on me, you dingus. You suck, PlayStation! No wonder why PlayStation 5 is coming out soon. But that's pretty funny. I actually froze my PlayStation. That's pretty funny. But anyways, enough rambling, but obviously we still got a lot to go. I think 2 more parts after this. So we still got a little long ways to go. And I'll probably buy it myself at some point. Like I did with Dream. I bought Dreams, that game that he did, that I saw with those fan games. I bought that recently, and that's really fun. And I decided, you know what, let me buy Five Nights at Freddy's 1 as well, because why the fuck not? Five Nights at Freddy's 1. Just the first game and not the others. The first one is the only, like, the one I really consider the only game I would buy. After that is when it just gets really ridiculous. I think the controls are going to be a lot more difficult than with a computer mouse, because especially with the 2020 mode, you know, the 420 mode, it's going to be a lot harder now. I wonder if anybody has done that. Has anybody beat Five Nights at Freddy's Custom Night 420 mode on like console, PlayStation, Xbox, or Switch? It's just the controls can be very wonky at times because of like the certain button layout is kind of weird. So that's probably why it would be a little bit more difficult to do so. Anyways, I think enough rambling. I hope you guys enjoyed today's reaction. If you did, the like button, subscribe, share this video with your friends. Be sure to ring that bell to be part of the notification squad. Be sure also check out my Instagram because I make collabs with Markiplier, Jacksepticeye, even myself. I also do anachronistic cosplays on there, so go check it out. Be sure also check out my Tumblr and my Discord in the description as well. So until next time, JRDL96 signing out, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!